Please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey, I opened this 20 pack of Pokemon cards I got from CVS in San Jose. It was a I really don't know anything about. I'm getting myself into it. Maybe it's like a bunch of random cards. But it was the kind of stuff. Getting cards that was something kind of cool. I'm gonna save that one for last. There we go. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Speed 2. We got bike. Bunch of power cards. I don't know what these cards are for. I don't know. Too many Pokemon to keep track of. This guy's been laughing for my whole terminal all day. So let me know you think cards I Thunder Shock. And you got the last one. It's kind of pretty. I don't know, numbered or anything, but for some reason this is a marked pretty one. All of them. So let me know, like and subscribe. Let me know, maybe I'll do better next time. Let me know what you think. Alright, thanks for watching.